Okay, here's close-up of Lean on Me. Here's my middle C, okay, and here's my low C. And so we're going to start off, first of all, C major, C, E, G in your bass, and then we move to C, F, A in this song numerous times. And then that's your F major that's in second inversion. Instead of here, the C is at the bottom. That's a second inversion. When we rotate chords around, we're called root, first inversion, second inversion. My mic stands a little in the way there, so I'm doing that with both hands, but here we go. Back down to C major. Let's get started on the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding here, right? Now that's interesting because we come in at the fourth beat, but we are tied for the whole next measure onto a whole note. So the easiest way to do this is to count, ta, 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 ta. We feel the beat there. But after that measure, we really need to hang out and not chisel off a beat or so by not counting. So we need to count the next measure, or we are very likely to just count 3. And I'll tell you why that is, because we're hanging on the fourth beat, and it feels like maybe I should just be hanging for 4 beats, but it doesn't. It has to be held for 5 beats, which is really kind of weird. But that's one reason this song is unique. So we climb up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Be sure and count. And I always say count right after the tie, because that's easiest. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I'm filling that in that second time I did it? All right, moving on. At We All Have Sorrow, there is harmony. And so we're coming up, instead of on the C, we're going to double this from the E down here in the left hand in bass. Such an interesting harmony, right? 1, 2, 3. And now D for the end of sorrow. Be sure and tie that. Don't hit it twice. Okay? See, that's a tied note. Again, 4, 1. Okay. Now, drop your hand to get the low G. Your 5 goes to G. G, G, A, C, C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Harmony time. B with F and G, that's your G7 chord. C major to finish that phrase. Rest. Here comes the chorus. E, D, C. Little rhythm. Change chord. A. Rest, C major, F major, I kind of fumbled there, but that's okay. E, D, C, C. Okay, I'm going to try that last line again. It's coming in F major. My mic stand is so in the way for me here, but let me see what I want to do here. I think if you put your pointer on the A, so you bend here, right? Pointer leads us down. So coming down, it won't be long. F, F, pointer moving till, and now left hand moving down. Okay, that makes it pretty easy. Till I'm gonna need. And then again, here we have to be careful of the count. So it comes in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. want to cross over there, that's fine. You can do a little cross. And it doesn't really matter who ends up back on C. Just get it to happen. Okay, there's Lean on Me close up. I hope you enjoy this tune. It's so fun. And one of the classics for sure that everybody knows. Have fun with that. See you later.